Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back again with another challenge. You can see there, I'm just starting this one with just $50. I'm going to be starting this new challenge with $50. I'm going to be trading VIX 75 again. Um, I know one of my friends said, so I'm just defining my playground there. Um, it's something that I do sometimes just to define my playground. You already know the strategy that I'm going to use. So this time around, I'm starting at $50 because one of my friends actually said maybe I should go below $100 and see how much I can make trading VIX 75 if my strategy is going to be good for that, because I know some of these questions that you guys also have. How do you trade small accounts with synthetic indices? So to grow this account, my approach is basically going to be more a mixture of swing trading as well as scalping. So if I do get an opportunity, I will hold some trades for longer. But if I do get opportunities, I am going to just go in, get my money, and get out. The goal, the goal is to try as much as I can to quickly grow this $50 to something around 300 or $500. I noticed it's just me. It's just me. I noticed that when you have $500 in your account, it makes life easier. When you are trading with these small amounts, you can basically trade VIX 75 from $2 or $5. But the problem is a risk. You already know that VIX love to, like, it doesn't just go straight. Sometimes it gets into drawdown. Sometimes it does the things that it does. And if you do not have enough funds in your account to support your position when VIX is doing its thing, going against you, you can easily get taken out. So my goal will be to quickly grow this $50 into maybe a decent 300 or 500. Then from there, I can confidently start taking bigger risks. So there's going to be a mixture of scalping, a mixture of holding trades for longer, as well as a mixture of position sizes and stuff like that. So yeah, unfortunately, and there for me, price looks like it has moved away for me from that zone. I would prefer it to be just in that zone, but I'll see if it comes back there. That's the other thing about trading. You need to let trades come to you. You need to let the trades come to you. Don't just jump into trades. Don't just jump into trades. And especially when you are trading a very small account like I'm starting out with here, or for some reason is 50. For some people, $50 is not a very small account. Because I know people are trading synthetic indices from $10, $5, and stuff like that. But what you want to be with these small accounts is to become a sniper. Don't just take any trade willy-nilly. That you can do when you grow that account to around $500 or $200, $300. Then when your account can handle drawdown, then you can afford to start making those random trades. But otherwise, as it is, what you want to do is to choose your trades wisely. I've basically mapped my zones there. Some I do go time to time and update them, and sometimes I just let them even for a whole month. I just watch them for a whole month, looking for opportunities. So yeah, hopefully we can get some trades today and just see what's going to happen. If nothing happens within, let's say, the next 5 minutes or 3 minutes or so, I'll close the video and then we'll come back again. And the goal, I want to show you guys actually growing the account. Even when I take a loss, I want you to see it happening in front of you. Obviously, I don't want to take a loss. Nobody wants to take losses, but I'm trying to be as honest as I can with you guys. So if I do take a loss, I want it to happen right in front of you. If I make money, I want to happen right in front of you. Not that I want to brag, not that I want to brag or anything. I'm not trying to show off. I'm not trying to brag. I don't think my strategy is the only or the best trading strategies out of the trading strategies out there, but it works for me, and I think it will probably work for you if you don't have a strategy that's making you money already. So that's the goal of this channel, just to motivate one another with our trading. So I'm going to again just start at $50. You can see the balance there. So I don't know, maybe target wise, we can get it to 1,000. We'll see if we can get it to 1,000. Then that's what I'm choking up. It's called Where I Am, and something is on my throat. I don't know. So yeah, let's see if I get an opportunity there to, if price can come to my zone there, then I'll take a trade. But if it doesn't happen, then anyway, I'll just have to just close the video and come back and try again later. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. See the link in the links in the description box below for forex robots, indicators, systems, tools, books, and stuff like that. Yeah, so let's just see what's going to happen. $50 into, can we make it into 1,000? What do you want us to turn this $50 into? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Then we see what we can do with this $50. Just waiting for an opportunity, just waiting. Now 8 minutes. I don't know. Maybe I should pause the video, then come again in the next video. If I need price to come back to my zone below them, because where it is, I'm not so confident with such a small amount in my account. I need to be a sniper. I need to wait for the opportunities to come to me. I don't want to chase trades. I don't want to chase a trade that's going to turn against me. So I need my trades to be at those levels that I just plotted. So yeah, anyway, I think let me just stop the video here, and I will look for an opportunity, then I'll do another video. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next video. Let's see if we can grow this $50. Bye.